Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Great Dane steel wood combo tandem axle in the rear, slider closed with a lift axle. This is a 45 by 102 steel wood. This unit has been sandblasted, has a brand new kingpin plate underneath it. This unit has all new, brand new tires, drums and brakes, is in excellent condition. 68,000 GVW plus the 20,000 lift axle. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, brand new tires, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new brakes and drums on all three axles. As we get to the back here, you can see the universal mounting kit. Carries a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. Excellent condition on the wood. Steel has been sandblasted, primed, and repainted. Brand new tires all the way around. Air ride, closed tandem, sliding suspension in the rear with a lift axle. Unit is beautiful. Also has hand control. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at us at 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our trucks, trailers, forklifts available for sale.